Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm at the Hong Kong cafe style, and I order this one. It's kind of like roast pork with egg and rice. It's a fresh premium quality of barbecue pork, and then we also order onion pot, the scallion pork chop with 5 egg with rice, and then let's check it out and how it tastes like. And they have all the utensils all right here in a little drawer. It's so cute. And get some napkins. It's a knife, fork, and they have sugar right here. This little drawer, so cool. And so this is more like a Hong Kong Chaan Teng, which is the cafe style. They usually have like toast in the morning, macaroni, like sandwiches. And at night they have like rice or baked pasta. And this rice session, and then they have drink, which I'm not ordering right now because nighttime I don't want to be sweet or like have any coffee or tea. So this is the kitchen, open kitchen right there. This is a pot, basically it's a pork chop with fried egg rice with some soy sauce and some little scallion paste. So the pork chop is very like white seasoning, like white color, so they don't have much marinade on it, and see how good they are. Feels very soft when you cut it on it. Feels so soft. Oh, super soft. So even though they have a thin slices, but it looks so soft and so juicy by looking at it, cutting on it. Oh my god. This pork chop is so good, so soft, so tender, and so juicy. They add like some soy sauce. It's like, tastes so awesome good. It looks like so white color, but the sauce, that's helps a lot. Oh, it's definitely soft. Wow. I like it. It's super soft and tender. I order, which is the fried egg with roast pork char siu with white rice. With white rice. They have a lot of egg. It feels like 2 scrambled eggs with some soy sauce on top as well. And they have a couple slices of char siu. It's very thick as well. And let's check it out, the char siu, which is the roast pork. I feel like the color, the artificial color is not so strong because it's not really super bright, right? If you look at it. It smells so good. The char siu is it's not too fatty. I feel like it's a little bit dry session. It's not so salty. It's not salty at all. I like it. And eat along with the rice. And they give you a lot of rice too, with the price. And it's only like $63, which is less than $10 USD, which is good. And give you 2 scrambled eggs with the soy sauce. Yeah, it looks simple, but it tastes good. So this is my dinner here at Chaan Teng. I like the roast pork. It's not fatty, but at the same time, it's like sometimes when it's too like skinny, not fat. It usually like tastes like very like hard. But this one is because it's even like less fatty. The meat is not like hard like rock too, which is soft. I like it. So good. They give you a lot of soy sauce at the bottom. So If I knew that halftime pie, then I'm gonna add out the soy sauce because I don't really need soy sauce at all. So overall, it's more like a char siu rice with scrambled. I think the scrambled is awesome. It's just like 2 big scrambled eggs. And they give you like a 4 piece of thick char siu, roast pork. But I think once you taste furthermore, I feel like the roast pork itself is getting softer too. Not bad. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. We also want the roast pork to go as well. So total 184, which is about $20, which is good for 3 meals. Not bad. And they didn't have no tax, no tips. They only add $1 for the box.